Hey guys, welcome back. It's a knife review today on a Victorinox Swiss Army knife. This knife is from Switzerland, and it says right there, full focus. Yep, so anyway, into the knife. Here's a nice leather sheath. Yeah, so here it is. As all Swiss Army knives do, it's got the nice lanyard here, so you can clip it onto stuff. So we've got the main blade, nice and shiny, and the other side, extremely sharp. So oh, sorry guys. Yeah, so that's the main blade. Also, it has the bottle opener with the flathead screwdriver, and then the can opener with a smaller flathead screwdriver. And on the other side, the smaller blade, which this one, razor sharp. It's got a tiny dent in it there, if you might be able to see. And this is quite sharp, this one. So pretty sharp. You know, like any good Swiss Army knife has the tweezers and the toothpick. Then the corkscrew, and finally the awl. On this knife, rocking the white scales, and this one was actually given to me by my grandfather, which is why it has his name on it. Really like this knife. I do recommend it. I'm sorry, since it was given to me, I don't exactly know what it's called, and this was purchased in Switzerland. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I'll see you another time. Thank you.